And with the year coming to an end, the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales are happening. Artists that would like to save up and get some percentage off can take advantage of this time and do all that. And what we've done is take the feedback that you guys gave to us from last year's video and put a spreadsheet together. So if you go over to the link which is in the description, you'll find this spreadsheet. This spreadsheet contains about 80 to 90 plus products and websites that are doing Black Friday sales. From this section, you can find the categories that they fall into, the percentages, the coupon codes, the validity period, and other things you would also be able to find is right over here. There is a category that you can filter. So if you click on this drop down, you can choose to filter this by software. Just select that, click on OK, and you'll be able to see this right here. If you like to visit any of this website, let's say you want to go to the Sugi website, you can click on the link. It takes you over to the website where you can check out what they're doing. The same thing happens with every other one right here. So let's say you want to take a look at some substance collections, you want to take a look at Pilgrim, probably you want to check out some CorelDRAW stuff because, you know, that's been a while. Of course you can. So right now you can save 60% off, and this is the timing. If you go back to the spreadsheet, you'd also notice that we have that timing. So it also makes sense that if you go all the way down, say you're looking for add-ons and stuff, you can clear that. Let's take a look at add-ons. Let's go to tools and assets and also go over to training and asset stores. You can check out any of these and click on OK, and you'll be able to see the asset stores that are available and also some things that you can get. Currently, Blender Market hasn't started out their sales, but then there's a couple of creators that are putting out certain things for percentage off right now. The cinematic lighting in Blender is available, and I think we teased that in the community. This is having a 25% sale. These are the one, which is the Urbanic, is having a 50% sale. Docky 3D is also doing a 25% sale before the Black Friday starts. It's also worth mentioning that the folks at True VFX, they did announce the Post Pro. Right now, they are having a 40%, so in case you like to grab that, at this point, you can. Something else that we also took as a suggestion from you guys last year is this. There is a form. If you do have a tool that you like to promote, probably you have a sales that is going on that is not mentioned in here, you can go over to the form, you put the product, you put the URL for the product. These are mandatory stuff. Then you can select the category where it falls under, you select the discount, or you put a discount in there, you put a coupon code if there's one, and the validity period. And once you're done, hit on submit, and we will do our best to update this form. So this is more like it. For those who like to take advantage of any of these sales that is going on, maybe you like to catch up with some stuff happening on ArtStation because there's a whole lot of things happening on ArtStation, or you would like to get some stuff from QBrush or maybe from Flip Normals. Right now they're doing a 50% sales. Links to this is going to be in the description, so do well to check it out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And of course, if you like this video or you learned something from this, you can go ahead and give a like, and don't forget to share with a friend. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.